Here we come to the elevators at the Rise at Northgate in College Station, Texas. These are 2013 ThyssenKrupp elevators. This is the second tallest building in College Station after the Rev. Let's ride, here we go. This elevator is broken. What floor would you like?
9.
That's not the elevator making that noise. That was literally a motor vehicle. These sound like Synergy according to the brakes, but the elevator database says that these are ThyssenKrupp TAC 50 elevators. Like always, a big thank you to my friend who's living here for helping me get a ride on these elevators. That clunk you are hearing are the brakes. We got people joining in today. These are tall too. Are you coming down?
I was just waiting.
Okay. I like that TV right there. I actually rode this elevator car a while back. I think I want to get the elevator car across from it, as I occasionally do. Can you send this one for me, please? Can you send this elevator up for me, please?
Yes.
Are you going up?
No.
Oh, okay. These are the amazing people who helped me get on these elevators. Thank you all so much. Finally, here it is.
Sorry. It's okay.
What floor y'all want?
I'm going to floor. Oh, thank you. Thank you. It's a little warmer out now. Yeah. Adam decided to go pedalling, which is odd, so. So we get to figure it out.
Your floor?
11.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
These travel 350 feet a minute, just like the former Aspire right next door with the Otis Gen 2. But these seem to be a little bit faster. gonna go outside, ring the bell. Y'all can stay in. It's a tall elevator. Oh, I didn't know there's a security camera in here. Got your cab. Glad I got a cab before I made a bunch of stops. You're going to one?
3, please.
Thank you, Olivia.
Thank you.
What floor? You want one? What floor would you like?
Oh, just one. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. These are busy. Oh, before I go, I forgot to show something. See right here. Look at this, y'all. I have the same exact elevator logo that I just got not too long ago. Anyways, we're gonna go and exit. These elevators are quite busy, but still at the same time, I got a good detailed video. So, with that being said, there it goes. And that's it.